Hello, I'm Michael Mouzakis. I have received a lot of emails asking more details about my technique with the implanters. Okay, and now I'll show you quickly what is my favorite, my preferable technique when loading and implanting the follicles. Okay, so usually we take the grafts and we feed them through the holes inside the skin. Okay, the holes are preset and then we insert them like this with forceps. This is absolutely fine and gives very nice results. But what I prefer to do instead is, instead of doing that, I'm using implanters. This is the 1-0 implanter, and also we have a smaller one to give more density and do the dense packing, especially on the hairline. So what I prefer is, I prefer the hairline because when it goes through the skin, I can choose the angle and also I can choose the direction. And by doing that, I can release the graft nicely inside the skin and I can choose exactly a natural way of looking. Thank you so much for watching.